Hello everyone, I hope that you have a great day today. In this video I'm going to show you how to use uh, the mailing feature in Microsoft Word, okay, to create an envelope. Alright, okay, so let me quickly fire up the Microsoft Word. There you go. And let me create a blank document, and then assume that you will type in the proper data content. Okay, so for example, Mr. John Doe. Okay, and then dear again, Mr. Doe, and then da 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 da, and then sincerely. Yeah, and then let's say from Team Aiden, for example. Once you're done, and then you got to create the envelope. Okay, so you can use mailing. Okay, click the mailing here and select envelopes, and then okay, over here, okay, the delivery address. Okay, you just type in Mr. John Doe, and then over here you will type, let's say, the address of that person. Maybe assume it's 1234 fifth. Okay, oops, sorry, Fifth Street and Durant, okay, and then Oklahoma 74701, and then the return address. Okay, so for example will be Tim Allen. Okay, and then the S3 address can be 789 10th Street, Duran. Okay, 74701, and you can add to the document. Click yes. That's it. All right. Have a good day. I hope that this is useful to you.